Alright, there's two ways to mount the Sensus radio and the radio ring mount. First is the same as if you're installing it in an AMR lid. So you just put it through. Tighten it up. And set it in. The second way to mount it is to go ahead and put the bottom piece on. Put it through the radio ring mount and onto the radio. What this lets you do is adjust the height, whatever size ring you have. That way the antenna can go all the way to the bottom of the lid, put it in the best position. Either way, it's still secure, not coming off. But this way is preferred by some people so they can adjust the antenna height.